What's the meaning of biosphere? Biosphere. Biosphere.
Biosphere. Biosphere. The biosphere is the part of the Earth where life exists. It includes all living things, such as plants, animals and microorganisms, as well as their environments, such as the air, water and soil. The biosphere is a complex and interconnected system that is constantly changing and adapting to its surroundings. It is essential to life on Earth, providing the resources and conditions necessary for the survival and evolution of all living organisms. The biosphere is also influenced by human activities, which can have both positive and negative impacts on its delicate balance. Protecting and preserving the biosphere is crucial for the well-being of both present and future generations.